P1 Camilo underneath, drilling into the car.
So we finally have the day that we're doing the exhaust on the P1. Today we are starting to do the RYFT exhaust, bam, on the P1. Now this thing weighs nothing. I mean, I'm not strong by any means, but I'm pretty sure my mom's 8-pound belt can carry this around. The P1, as some of you may know, is a clamshell, meaning from the whole back half of this car is one piece. So to do the exhaust in this vehicle, we have to remove a lot of parts, meaning from the wing to the diffuser to the lower quarter panel, the rear glass, and a bunch of little brackets and bolts that hold these clamshell together. Now, usually you're supposed to fly out a P1 tech to do this kind of work, but we over here like to challenge ourselves, so we're gonna do it. So we're gonna show you guys a little bit of what we're dealing with. Anything with the blue tape are ones that were over tightened and stripped when we take it off. So I just had to drill this one out and hammer in the easy out. So I got 4 more to go. Totally taking his time on the rear diffuser because some of these bolts are way over tightened and like, I mean, these don't want to come off at all, that we have to do this. I never guessed that on a P1.
Just for the record, guys, that's a drill bit.
I got the head off.
That's pretty cool.
We got the under tray off. We had to drill an easy out 5-bolt. Diffuser's off. Lower quarter panels are off.
Oh, what do you got going on over here?
Dude, I am like full arms deep.
Oh, dude, you are deep. Oh, yeah.
You understand how deep I am right now.
What did he say?
Well, guys, clamshell is off. That took us what? Not that long at all.
3 hours, literally.
First time. And that was, and we had lunch, and we took our time. It's really not that hard. We had to drill some bolts out, but it gives you an idea. Yeah.
Like if it was hard work, 2 hours. 2 hours, like.
Oh yeah, 2 hours we're gonna have this thing off. And that was figuring shit out. So give you guys a quick inside scoop of what it looks like over here. Obviously we have the intercoolers on the side, the exhaust on the back that we gotta replace, TCUs right here, ECUs over here like usual, and then you guys can see all the extras that comes with the P1. We're gonna get the heat shields off the top to see what we're gonna deal with underneath. Usually on all vehicles, you remove the fender liners, which give us access to the O2 sensors, and the heat shields, which are on the 570, 600, and you know, those platforms. And this one, they're carbon fiber, and they're 2-piece, and they're all the way around. Now, not 100% sure if we have to remove the fender liners, but I'm pretty sure we don't. It would just make life a little bit more difficult having to get them out. You good, bro?
Yeah.
What's wrong?
Dude, I got tripoded in the nuts.
So tell me how we can take a P1 apart and replace the 720 engine, but we're struggling to put a tripod back in the bag. Cause look, that is collapsed without the head, without the other piece. It still doesn't fit.
Not even close, dude.
Dude, I don't know what we're missing. I took it out of this bag.
Then why is there coolant on the floor and not cleaned up yet?
This is unbelievable. You motherfuckers basically took the hood off the car and you're surprised there's no fluid on the ground. The whole motor and trans are coming out of this, and if there's more than half a fluid ounce on the ground, I get yelled at.
That's a good assumption. I mean, it is clean over there.
I still think it's better this than where he was before.
Better this than what?
Than where you were before?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, McDonald's sucked.
This is the last bolt.
This is the last bolt? Of what? The whole thing?
Yeah.
Oh, oh! Well, it dropped. Christian's face was priceless.
I'm gonna lose my job.
Holy dude, Camilo just sends it, dude. It is crazy.
Alright, everything back here is 100% detached. Confirmed. Good. Up a little bit. Okay. I'm gonna.
Look at that.
Are you serious?
It's always Christian.
Why is it green?
Yeah, dude, what are you doing, guy? What is that? All right, everybody, another beautiful day at 1K Motorsports. Christian, what the hell is going on right now, man?
So here we've used a little bit of redneck ingenuity to get our new 720 block up on that pallet so we can swap everything over. We're gonna swap over the turbos, exhaust manifolds, what else has to get over? Engine harness.
Pretty much the whole thing.
Yeah, I mean pretty much everything. We're gonna swap everything off the old one and put it on the new one, but we have to have them both in the air to remove everything.
So the real question is, would you rather do a Jaguar pulley or would you rather do this?
I'd rather do this 10 times. Whoever has Jaguars at home, you can keep them there.
This whole process over one simple pulley job. Only if Camilo is here for commentary, but he is in the office right now, as you can see. That is the most important place he is in all day. It helps him get him through the day, actually, because of the stomach problems that he has.
What's up, guys? We're back. We're in Orlando. I think the last time that we're gonna be using the G-Wagon as a tow vehicle. Today we're picking up McLaren 765 LT, getting our power package, but back to the G-Wagon. So today is the last time we'll be having the G-Wagon as our work truck. We have a new work truck coming, which we'll share with you guys soon. All right, guys, we got the 765 on the lift. Look at the spec. Sorry from heavy breathing. It's about 95 degrees in Florida, and I'm out of shape. Anyways, so we got just about everything is carbon on the car, which is beautiful. And then we're gonna do the engine cover, the top engine cover in carbon, and our power package. We have built unattained inlets going in as well, full RYFT exhaust, custom tune, and probably our last hurrah right here with the G-Wagon. I mean, guys, it's only 85 out right now. So like, it's 8:26 in the morning. We're not at the shop. We are heading towards the ocean.
Doesn't look like Fort Myers.
Yeah, this is not Fort Myers. So today we're starting unwrapping this yacht for my cousin.
What?
You know, we are spoiled for being in the AC.
Yeah.
And we're
66 in the hotel room this morning.
Yep.
And it's
85 out already at 8:30.
Like 95. It's 8:30 in the morning. The sun has been up for no more than 2 hours. And Camilo's saying it's not that bad, guys.
Yeah, and I got the 3 rolls of wrap on my leg.
We got a pack of water though, so.
Yeah, we got a pack of water. And I brought a fishing shirt for the heat. So, if you guys never been in the back of a G-Wagon, dude, I'm not tall and I don't fit.
Everyone knows you're not tall, Camilo.
I know, but like I'm touching the seats, bro. Like,
yeah, look,
you're touching.
Right, put it up here. I'm 6'6". My knee is touching the dash and I'm all the way down, all the way back.
We have a lot of headroom.
Yeah, I can go up for a minute, dude. If we hit a bump, dude, I'm golden.
All right, guys, so we're here at the marina. We actually got here early morning, but the boat was still in the water because they had to move a bunch of boats. So our job is now to wrap the boat. So we got the lower half of this side put in. We're just tucking it all in. We're gonna have to find a body line where we're gonna cut it and do the top portion. So we're pretty much doing the driver's side or whatever side you call it on the boat today, and the other side we'll do tomorrow. We gotta trim all the windows out, trim the bottom. We gotta trim a bunch of stuff. Give you guys some B-rolls of the boys and us doing some work.
But started back there, came up, looks fucking great. Christian's head's burnt, you can see. So what do you think of this whole process so far?
Pretty easy. No, it's really hard, guys. Like, if you want your yacht wrapped, we can do it.
Yeah, it's just gonna cost triple the amount.
Morning stretching.
Oh, morning stretches.
Yeah.
Feels good. Feeling good, looking good. Couple of dips.
That's depressing.
Oh, Jesus. Christian, he's getting violent. He needs personal.
Not a baseball.
Oh, that was money. Yes, first try, first try.
You're pointing it down, by the way. The camera.
Yeah, you think I'm pointing it down, but it's a, no, like you think I'm pointing it down. It's like at a downwards angle, but it looks flat because how tall I am. Because if I go like this, there's no more rift exhaust. Just like that.
Oh, because you're so high.
Yeah, and I'm.
Be holding it here. You
Yeah, if I hold it like right here, then yeah. This is all on video, by the way.
That's fine.
So if I hold it like
We'll
right.
get some critiques from Blake.